How to pair a Hunter ceiling fan remote. First, detach the part that has the bulbs on it. It has 3 screws that removes it from the fan. Be sure to remove the glass shades first before you do this to avoid any breakage. Once you have this apart, then pull this out. First, there's a cable that plugs into this. Just remove that first. Then pull this out, and you will see the remote switches. There's 5 switches, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the on is down, up is off. Look on the switches, you see 1 and 5 are down. Then adjust the switches on a remote control. I moved 1 and 5 into the down position also. Next, put this back into the housing, and you're gonna have to either climb up, or if you're putting in a new fan, then just attach it to the fan. Attach that fixture back to the fan. Now test to see if the remote will turn the fan on, and here it does, so we know we're good. Next, put your lampshades on. After your lampshades are on, pop in the bulb. Make sure it's a dimmable bulb. And there you go, success. As always with anything electronic, make sure that the circuit is dead. Use a circuit tester before you try to fix anything that's electrical, and make sure the circuit breaker is off too. Thanks for watching.